Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Bright. This one is my F150 2022. I've been driving this one is 2-year half, and then it has intermittently grinding noise sometimes. So I check my wheel and four-wheel drive rocking hub system for the says IWE integrated wheel hub, and so it does not properly engage or disengage. So kind of grinding noise for the says one TSB says cleaned axle spline and replace the IW system. So today I'm gonna show this video how to replace the IW system. Since the 2021, for the change the IW system is electric rocking system. Old one is a vacuum. It has the vacuum line, a solenoid valve and a check valve, but there are some problems. So for to change the new IW rocking system, this one is the electric TCCM, transfer control module, directly control the rocking hub. So now this one is a problem, and TSB grinding noise is just clean the spline and change IW system. Let's go. This video is effected since 2021 F150 four-wheel drive system, electric shift on the fly. Your truck is only 2 high and 4 high switch. If you have a 4 auto switch, Lariat and Raptor does not affect this video. I want to explain the four-wheel drive system quickly, and the same as the old one. Vacuum type is almost the same as the transfer and the shift motor right here, and then transfer to the front drive shaft, and then front differential, and the both side axle to the hub, and then spin the wheel. Old one has vacuum system, vacuum line, solenoid, but this new IW system has the motor, and the motor direct to the engage disengage. First you guys put on the four-wheel driving mode, and then I recommend the disconnect battery. Sometimes disconnect. This one is the drive side. Light on. So first the disconnect battery, and then this is ABS connector right here, and the IW connector right here. Disconnect the two connector first. Now this video is showing the driver side. Now it's key on is ABS light on. So this unwrap the rocking tab right here, and the other one is right here, and then disconnect the two IW and ABS. Big one connector, and then smaller one is 2 pin is ABS wheel speed sensor. And then you guys lace up your car or jack up your garage for the safety first. Then wearing the glasses, wearing gloves. Remove wheel. Once the remove wheel, you can see the suspension, and then there's ABS wheel speed sensor and actuator wire connector. And then pull the connector, and then detach the retainer from the suspension and frame, and then put aside. Clean the thread and spray silicone spray, much easier to get out of the nut. And then remove outer tighter nut, and then remove stabilizer link upper side nut. And then now take out brake hose bracket 10 millimeter, and then remove caliper anchor bolt 21 millimeter 2 bolts. Once you take out caliper 2 bolt hanging on the caliper hole assembly, and then on the frame, and then remove front brake roller. It's so heavy, carefully working this. And then using the 18 millimeter socket and the U-joint, take out, loosen the upper control nut. Do not remove whole nut, just like this, and then tap in the knuckle top side. Not much strong, just tap in, and then usually pops out from the knuckle, and separate the upper arm and the knuckle. And then we needed to take out the cover, and need a flap screwdriver and a rounded a chisel. I tap around the cap, and then pray out gently, and then I usually take out and then remove a 13 millimeter axle nut. Once you guys are ready, it's time to take out the knuckle and upper control arm separate using the two pray bar, once the down, and then another hand take out the upper control arm nut to the side, and then also much pray down the upside, and then gently whole assembly knuckle out from the axle shaft. It's not that hard. It's now you can see that, and then axle shaft to attach the steer IWE actuator and hub inside it, spindle. And then now using the 8mm socket and an air ratchet or any of electric ratchet, remove 4 actuator ports, and then put the back to the axle shaft side, and then see that there are teeth, and then totally engage the actuator to the axle, and then take out the out of the hub, and then take out this electric actuator. There are so many dirty and then worn out some serious case, and this one not much, but it's kind of slightly noisy because it does not smoothly move. And then as much as you can using the vacuum and a sharp towel, and then clean as much as you can inside the hub teeth. And we needed to clean thoroughly axle shaft spline area or teeth. TSB workshop says noise from the does not smooth this surface, spline surfaces. So spray the brake cleaner, and then as much as you guys clean first using the sharp towel, any other kind of plastic wire brush, and then a toothbrush, as much as you guys clean up this spline teeth. I'm using the small tiny flap screwdriver, and then clean up as much as each teeth, each by each teeth, all around the teeth like this, and then using the brake cleaner, and then wash it off, and then the dirt off. And the workshop says, or TSB says, brass type wire brush and a small tiny, and then clean up each key belly over 5 to 10 seconds. So I clean up these spline teeth. Look at that. This is one side was cleaned. It's so much clean and smoothly. I feel with my finger. And then all the teeth cleaned after that, and I clean up the dirt, and I blow the air, and then as much as a shiny teeth. And then sometime using you can old toothbrush is much helpful, and I clean up as much as you can. Even clean up the hub side teeth, and also clean up the extra old grease. And then I'm using the high temperature grease and apply it slightly inside the hub needle bearing. This one is new electric actuator motor assembly, and then it comes with the grease around the new actuator. You don't need to apply the spline and hub area grease. So once you put into the axle shaft, and then align the teeth together, and then push in, hold it together, and then put in together hub area. Put into the hub center, and then take out from the axle actuator, and then put into the knuckle, and then mount it bolt. Also make sure IWE actuator teeth line up to hub teeth, and then tighten the cone nut 1/6 pound. Once you tighten the actuator for bolts, So nice shiny hub spline and a new actuator. There's a new grease on it. It's so good. So now ready to back to the hub assembly. Put together the axle spline. Look at that. Make sure axle spline comes out to hub outer bound. And then just attach the upper control arm to the knuckle. Make sure this hub spline bolt comes out like this. And then put the back upper control arm, tighten the bolt 46 foot-pound, and then tighten the axle nut 30 foot-pound. And then put the back to the cap. Now install a stabilizer link upper bolt, and then put the back to the rotor and the caliper bolt, and then using the new bolt, and then put the back brake bracket bolt, and then I'll attach the ABS sensor, the retainer frame and suspension, and then push it back up to the engine. And then tighten the outer tie of the nut 6 foot-pound using the new nut. Put the wheel back on to the hub and then tighten the wheel nut. And then vehicles forward, and then reconnect the actuator connector and then ABS connector. And then don't forget the locking nut. And then put the back to the battery and then tighten the battery and then tighten the wheel nut to 150 foot-pound. Once you guys put all together, and then you need to specific lubrication spline and hub tips. It's very important. I'm gonna show compare to all the vacuum type. This vacuum type is using the engine vacuum, and then disengage the 4-wheel drive rocking hub. And this one is a dual style electric motor. Inside the small motor is here, and the motor spin and the turning inside the wave time circle teeth right there inside. And then inside the circle wave teeth move outer spline teeth. This spline teeth engage the hub and axle shaft spline, and then engage 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive. Even vacuum types lots of vacuum problem. So I'm gonna show apply the vacuum and how it works. And the motor type is motor power moving the spline for this vacuum type, and then engage the vacuum actuator spline goes down, and then this one is a 2-wheel drive, as it pops out. This one is 4-wheel drive. Once the vacuum problem, there are so many grinding noise and a broken actuator. But this one is new style motor type, but it's still noise. Yeah, this one is broken. I've seen that, and I took a picture a few months ago in another car. And then this pops out plastic broken and inside the T motor. Thank you for watching.